Listen. Listen closely. Heard that? No? Okay. Listen one more time, carefully. That's Kurgut, narrating a story of survival in changing times.
ऑर्गॅनिक राय कोरगोड पॅडी हे आतां लोटले कामुल्ले मागीर तुका राशोल हे हाजनात रोयताय आनी हे ऑर्गॅनिक हे ट्रेडिशनल रायस.
Kurgut is one of the 28 types of indigenous rice grown in Goa. Indigenous seeds having almost completely replaced with hybrid high-yielding varieties such as Jyoti and Jaya. Perhaps Curtorim is the last hope for Kurgut, which is salt resistant.
चड क्वॉन्टिटी आहल्यार थिंगा कुडाल वता आमी बाजाज रायस मिल आहा थिंगा वताय थिंगा मिनिमम 25 टन्स व्हरपाक पडटा. ते मागीर तांदूळ आमी कोत्ता हें तें आमी मारक पडटा म्हणटच आमी एक पाट व्हरोन ती सक्सेस स्टोरी जाली आमची. आतां व्हरोन कोन्ना कित्याक मार्केटूय जाय आनी दुसरें लोकली बल्ड गारू कोट्टाय ते आमगे ट्रेडिशनल मेथड आनी तेजे लायवलीहूड आहा तो लोक तेजे पोट भरता घरांक निघताय उकडे रायस म्हणटाय तो.
The farming of indigenous rice at Curtorim happens at different levels. Actually, 3 different levels.
The land was divided from top to bottom. The top portion of the hill was known as Morod land, where paddy was grown once in a year. Then there were the middle lands. It was called Care lands, where there was production twice a year. Those two were close to the river called Kazan lands.
ते काजना लँड आहा ते काजना ते 2 क्रॉप काडटाय. दुसरे हे सोणबे हाडी आनी 2 क्रॉप काडटाय कारीफ आनी रबी क्रॉप. तेजे भायर हे 2 काडटाय हिंगा हाजनात तेजे भायर आनी 4 तोडे हांवें कुर्तोरी आंगडे तोडे मायतोडे कुमतोडे आनी रायतोडे हे सगळे तोड्या भायर हिंगा बरें चलता.
मोदें शेत देंवली लोक रोवपा बंद जाल्ले कित्याक तांकां एग्रीकल्चर फेसिलिटीज मेळनासले.
Agricultural people have diminished, no? At that time, the families, you see, where the landowners were there. Then the middle, small landowners, and then the working class.
हांव येयलो खंय तरी देवान म्हजी मोती गायलें. God put it in my mind to start this. And we did it. I had a lot of trouble. I went to the शेतकार्स and found out what was their difficulty. कोण म्हणाला ट्रॅक्टर मेळना, कोण म्हणाला मशीन मेळना, कोण आमी रोयता आसले म्हणपा लागलो मशीन मेळना, कोण म्हणाला लेबर मेळना. आय सेड ओके. हांवें फर्स्ट ट्रॅक्टर घेयलो. जेन्ना फर्स्ट ट्रॅक्टर घेयलो तेन्ना म्हाका लोक आमगे एक्स MLA बाब सारदीन हांसपा लागलो. म्हाका म्हणपा लागलो ओ आनी कितें ट्रॅक्टर चलयतलो म्हणपा लागलो. हांवें म्हणलें हांव कितें ट्रॅक्टर चलयता तेका झगडो परस तेका म्हणलें आनी ट्रॅक्टर कोन्न आनी एग्रीकल्चर वाडोवन तेका म्हणलें दाखोवचें पडटलें. सो सारदीन वॉज इंस्ट्रुमेंटल इन मेकिंग मी वर्क हार्डर ऑल्सो.
These are the times when innovation should take the front seat. But every new idea meets a resistance. That's the law of nature.
I'm telling my farmers now, and they are still, now my farmers are laughing at me, again they are laughing at me. You know what I told them the other day? I said, एक और सब शेत पाड दो ये जुमनी सारे मान मायक्रो ऑर्गेनिझम काबार जाता. एक सिजना शेत पाड दवरया तेंक शेण घाल्या सावट घाल्या पान घाल्या कुसली शेतांत कीड बीड पत्ती जायनी मायक्रो ऑर्गेनिझम पत्तून जायनी. So that another 20 years we don't have problem and the soil won't become dead. They're laughing at me. Anyway, let them laugh. I know what I'm talking. They don't understand it. But I will convince them. I'll try my best. The real attitude of helping somebody with good intentions, or rather reaching out to agriculture, and that's why I'm 100% sure we will reach where we are. And for this, we are always fighting with the government. Right now, the government was quite. We were quite pleased with the government this time. They've increased the subsidy for paddy. Everything is support price for paddy. This is the first time after many years, after fighting with the government for so long. I being in the government, I've continuously raised these issues of increasing the paddy. the chief minister, the agriculture minister was kind enough this time to announce in the budget there was an increase, which is a very good thing. Now we have to take advantage of this and see that agriculture is protected, agriculture rents are protected, आणि आमगे गोंयकार पण जो तर सांबाळटलो हें आमी सांबाळूंक जाय. ही आमगे रायस ही पळय जया, ज्योती जावं कर्जत जावं आजगो जावं ही भात आहाय ही आमगे सांबाळपाची. दे आर गूड फॉर हेल्थ ऑल्सो.